first and foremost, I think producer Shiva Meka, V Cellulite, and without them, and Mammootty Garu, Jiva, Madhi is the cinematographer, and music director Santosh Narayan, Shravan editor. Always believe నేను ముందు ఎప్పుడూ చెప్పాను సినిమా అనేది ఒక కొలాబరేటివ్ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ కొలాబరేటివ్ ఆర్ట్ ఇది అండ్ ఈవెన్ తో ఐ రైట్ డైరెక్ట్ I still think the movie, whatever eventually it comes up, it is because of the collaborative effort of all these people as such. And especially Mammootty Garu, without him, I don't think nenu Yatra 2 ane cinema chesevanni. It's impossible to tell Yatra 2 without Mammootty Garu. And next, Jiva. See, I think Jiva ke biggest difficulty in that, and it's the language. Language is a huge barrier. Language chala kastam. ఎందుకంటే he's been 20 ఏళ్ళుగా he's been acting, he's done a lot of films. More than అతను జగన్ అన్న అనే క్యారెక్టర్, జగన్ రెడ్డి అనే క్యారెక్టర్కి దగ్గరగా పోలిక కన్నా he is an amazing performer and a very effortless performer. అందుకుని I chose him. And భాష వచ్చిన వాళ్ళకన్నా భాష రాని వాళ్ళకు it is 4-5 times the effort what it takes to really perform అండి. And any credit, whatever it is, if you're seeing on screen or మీరు చూడబోయేదానికి, it is the actors. నేను నా పద్ధతి ఏంటంటే I write well and I give my actors and technicians the vision and or what I look forward for. And the credit is completely them as such. And Ketiki is the same thing. She is doing a role of Bharati Garu. And she is a Marathi actor and she has performed very well. Leaving this and see ఇప్పుడు యాత్ర ఫస్ట్ చేసినప్పుడు యాత్ర 2 చేసినప్పుడు దే హావ్ బీన్ ఎన్నో ప్రశ్నలు. ఎందుకు ఒక వై ఫిలిం, ఎందుకు ఎలక్షన్ టైంలోనే వస్తుందనేది ప్రశ్న, లేదా ఎందుకు ఒక రాజకీయ నాయకుల గురించి కథ చేయాలా అనేది. నాకు యాజ్ అ స్టోరీ టెల్లర్ నేను కథ చెప్పాలనుకున్నప్పుడు ఐ వాంట్ టు టెల్ అండ్ ఐ థింక్ ఇఫ్ ఇట్ హ్యాస్ కమర్షియల్ వైబిలిటీ, అంటే దానికి ఒక కమర్షియల్ ఆపర్చునిటీ ఉంటుంది అనుకొని క్రియేటివ్లీ కమర్షియలీ నాకు యాత్ర కానీ యాత్ర 2 కానీ నాకు ఒక కథ ఉంది దాంట్లో. ఏదో బోత్ ఆఫ్ ద స్టోరీస్లో. సో నాకు ఐ డోంట్ వాంట్ టు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ అ లాట్. ఇప్పుడు సంజయ్ చెప్పడమో ఎక్స్ప్లెయినింగ్ ఎందుకు ఏమిది, నేను ఒక కథ అనుకున్నాను, కథ చేశాను. నౌ ఇట్ ఈస్ ద బాటమ్ లైన్ హౌ ద ఆడియన్స్ ఇస్ గోయింగ్ టు రిసీవ్ ఇట్ ఆర్ హౌ దే గోయింగ్ టు డూ ఇట్ అండి. ఇప్పుడు ఈ పొలిటికల్ రాజకీయం కానీ రాజకీయ నాయకుల గురించి కానీ రాజకీయాల నిషేధం ఉన్న సినిమాలు చేసినప్పుడు దే విల్ బీ ఆబ్వియస్లీ రాళ్ళు వేసేవాళ్ళు రాళ్ళు వేస్తారు, బురద వేసేవాళ్ళు బురద వేస్తారు, మంచిగా ఉండేవాళ్ళు మంచిగా ఉంటారు. ఇప్పుడు నాకు ఆ రాళ్ళు ఎత్తే ఓపిక లేదు, బురద తుడుచుకునే ఓపిక లేదు. దట్స్ నాట్ మై జాబ్ యాజ్ సచ్. ఓకే, ప్లెయిన్ అండ్ సింపుల్. మీరు అంటే ఆడియన్స్కి చెప్తున్నా, ఇది ట్రైలర్ చూశారు, ఒక ప్రోమో సాంగ్ చూశారు, లేదా టీజర్ చూశారు, ఇది మీకు ఒక ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్గా అనిపిస్తే, ఎందుకంటే అండి ప్రతి జానర్కి ఒక సెట్ ఆఫ్ ఆడియన్స్ ఉంటారు. నేను ఒక హారర్ కామెడీ చేస్తాను, నేను ఒక శైతాన్ అనే ఒక వెబ్ సిరీస్ చేస్తాను. ప్రతి సినిమాకు అట్లే దే విల్ బీ ఇట్స్ ఓన్ సెట్ ఆఫ్ ఆడియన్స్. మనం చేసింది అలా వైకుంఠపురంలో అట్లాంటిది కాదు, కుటుంబంలో పోయి చూడమని చెప్పడానికి. సో ఇఫ్ there are people who think even a political or a political based films or some kind of a thing has an entertainment, and we should leave it to them as such. And finally Feb 8th, and we'll see how it goes and what happens through across. Then I'll pass it on to Jiva. Let Jiva speak.
Press friends and media friends, andariki namaskaram. So thank you so much for this lovely portrayal of character for me. Thanks to Mahi foremost, and once I got this call from Gnanavel Raja sir, so he told me that there is a project from Telugu, and if you are comfortable doing it, please let me know. The first thing I told that I have problems in Telugu, so I've been learning Telugu for the last 20 years, and I can understand really good Telugu, but then I said, is it a fun film or is it a action film or something? He said, no, it's a film about it's Yatra 2. He said, have you seen Yatra 1? I said, yes, I have seen Yatra 1. So it's Yatra 2. I said, Yatra 2 means it must be Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu. I said, the moment he told me that, I was very shocked. And one kind of pressure happened. And the first time he told me, and I said, I don't know, am I in that stature to do it, or I have no idea about Andhra politics, so I don't know how I will receive this character. So he said, please meet the director, he said. So the moment I met Mahi, and he came down to Chennai, and he told me the script, and when I heard the script, it was about a son, about a son who promises, like the promise he, father, son, and the promise. So it's about this whole film is like an emotional journey. So the moment I heard the script, I said, what a way of storytelling. And like we've seen Devar Magan, we've seen Godfather. So I really felt that it's a human story, when it would be a great privilege for me to do this film. So I heard the script, and we did our preparations, and the moment we did our look test, and I was still not confident. And the moment I had the first dialogue, Ma Ottamani Adhikara Valdu Parthi Vijayenga. So I still remember the dialogues. So I enacted that dialogues, and I still have that video with me. So I think that was the first approval I got from the director that yes, Deva, it's working. So from there was no turning back. As a actor, it was an amazing experience working in this film and portraying Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu. And it was lovely shooting in Kadapa, Pulivendula, and the people gave so much of warmth. And I would really thank in this moment Madhi sir for transforming me into Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu. And I think it's pretty convincing that whatever role I've done. And thanks to Ketki, thank you so much to the whole team, to the ADs, the cinematographer assistants, and especially thanks to Karthik, who word by word he had to teach me Telugu. And I really went through this 3 months process of night and day, was just learning the dialogues. And it is not a colloquial language. It is more, it has a dialect, it has a slang. So yeah, it was lovely, like working with this whole beautiful team. And we shot this film in exactly 51 days. So thanks, Mai. Thank you so much for giving me this beautiful elevation. And this film would be one of my milestone, and I'm sure it will be very close to my heart. And thank you so much to my whole team. Thanks Dr. Vinita, thank you Rafi, thank you Shanmugana, Shibu, thank you so much for all the elevation. This is all a team which put together, and it's just not to get this kind of a film, it needs so much of teamwork. So I'm sure the teamwork is shown in the film. So thank you so much, press. Thank you so much. Thanks again.
To us, I'm very happy to be a part of Three Autumn Leaves family, because we all worked so hard to make this film the best, be it a direction team or AD team or costume or art or spot dadas or makeup, hair, everything has been calculated very nicely to make the film better and put it as authentically to you all. Thank you, Mahi Garu, for believing in me, because I am a Marathi person, and I don't have any great history of Telugu cinema, but I feel the moment he told me about that character, I didn't know much about Andhra politics, or I just knew that about the Jagan Garu CM. So while doing the study of Bharti Garu's character, Mahi Garu told me that it's not just CM's wife. She also has her emotional journey from being a woman, from being a daughter, from being a mother, then daughter-in-law and wife, and then everything turning into a businesswoman. So this is like an inspirational story for any common girl or common woman, that if you decide, you can do anything, you can change the situation from negative to positive. And though it's a father and son story, I feel like each and every character, like Vijayamma's character, which is played by Ashrita, and Bharati's character, all these two women are so important to take his journey ahead in his life. So this is my first first full-fledged film, I must say, in Telugu, and I'm hoping for all the support from you all. Also, to teach me Telugu, Karthik and Ravi, they helped me a lot, and I'm very happy that I'm a part of this team, and I hope you all will go in the theater and watch the film. Thank you. Done.